And now, for the third time, we're gonna try to do this again. I'm not even gonna go back and show you what Hearthfire does. I'm just gonna tell you here, because my computer is stupid and thought that I wanted to watch the video again. Or wanted my face on the video, and I didn't want it on this one because I haven't set up a camera for it. And now it's being stupid. Why are you so laggy, stupid computer? Yeah, I thought so. I was, doing quest. I was going to save the princess. No, I was going to... I'm getting pieces for this guy in a museum, and he wants these pieces, so I had to get them for him. And I guess I'm not done in there, so I'm gonna go back in. And I also showed the Hearthfire. I'm gonna tell you what Hearthfire is. It is a DLC in which you can... What? Where is it? Why are you telling me to go outside if you want me... Oh, I bet it's downstairs somewhere. Or upstairs. Could be anywhere. Open window. Oh, maybe it's through here. You do not hear my phone call ringing? That is not what you appears to be a phone ringing. That is just a cupcake that likes cupcakes. And it had sex with the cupcake, and it wants more sex with the cupcakes. And that is not a voicemail, so you're... Okay. Now you don't know what my last name is, so... Sucks for you! Okay, I don't know what to do. It's being stupid. So, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna let my anger out. Oh yeah, Hearthfire. What are you doing? Stop it, computer. Sorry, I don't know if... No, I don't think... Ah, what was that? I'm gonna go back into first person, because it's obviously liking first person more. Actually, sorry about this. I hope the next one will be better, but I think it is being stupid, and I got a message on my phone, so it must be important. And sorry, I have to answer this. I can't stop it right now, so you're just gonna have to hold on a few seconds. Okay. So I am actually angered. Oh, money, 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 money. Where is it? There it is. Hey, stop. Take. It was working fine earlier, but I guess it doesn't want to work fine. So I actually am not gonna do this. No, I am. Sorry, guys. You're just gonna have to live through the lag. I don't know why it's lagging so bad. It won't be like this next episode. I promise. I don't even know how I'm taking. I hate computers with lags. Oh, maybe it's this. So, oh god damn you, stupid thing. You know what? I am actually just gonna stop this quest. I don't want to do it. And we'll go home to my house. And we will... Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Home. Yes. Okay, so, yeah. That's what that does. I did not do a great intro. Okay, so this is my house. This is what you get with Hearthfire. And it's my cow. And you start off over here with the workbench. Actually, no, right here. Table. It's E. You're like, oh, well, I think it'll say house on it. And you'll put whatever you want in it, or whatever you want to build. Like, there's that, the back, the other side are parts that you need to do. And you can adopt kids and build a house, as far as I know. I think there's a little bit more. I just don't know. Look, I own a bard. I'm gonna make him play some music. for the third time.
Of course. Anything you like.
Thank you.
Ah, a fine but bloody tale.
I don't understand.
I can do that one.
Anyways, let's go find Lydia. You guys know who Lydia... What was that? I think that's good.
Oh, there once was a hero named Ragnar the Red.
Anyways,
Came riding to
Lydia
Whiterun from
is
Ulrich stead.
you're her Thane,
And the braggart
and if you get a
Ragnar
house,
Long life to you, Thane.
you can get stuff.
course.
I'd like you to buy
What are
some
we
building
running short
materials
of?
for me. It's like, oh, okay. You say lumber, stone, clay. Yeah, I don't know
Very
anything
good, sir.
else. So, okay, leave me alone.
Oh, you talk
And now let's go find my wife.
Now I think it's high time that you lie down and bleed. And so then came clashing and slashing
getting into
steel
it?
as the
Wife,
brave lass
there
Matilda
you
charged
are.
in full of zeal.
I don't understand why
It
they
means
say
so
love
much to
so
us
much.
to have the claw back where it belongs.
Shut up.
We have a cozy little prophet. Here, this is your share,
See, look,
love.
love. And watch as I exit out.
Goodbye, my love.
I don't like it. It kind of gets on my nerves. What else? Let's see. Oh my God, this. I need to build something back here. Continue. Build. Shelves. I'm gonna build that. I'm just like putting out. Can't build anything else. Oh, yes I can. See, look, I told you. Goat. Wolf head. Now watch this. Ready? Bam! There's the goat head. Oh, you are adorable. Sorry, I went back into first person. I just couldn't take it anymore. Hi, wolf. I killed. No, actually, I stole you. Display can. Ooh, what are these? Satchels. Let's go look at my other stuff. House tour. That's what this is. A house tour. Oh, potion. Gimme.
What do you need, my Thane?
Look, I put that in there. I actually don't know how to put things in here, so I just dropped it, and there you go. Closed it, and bam. Oh, what's this? Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful music. We really don't have time. I don't think we have
What
time.
can I do for you?
You know what? F this. We're gonna go do a mission. Up in the sky. Okay. Up in the Skyrim. M. Oh, not M. Escape. Escamate. Retrieve the brain. Oh, I don't know where that one is. M. You know what? F this. Let's just complete on those. No, I don't want to go back to you. I know there's one in there. Like, I'm gonna go over here. Kill more people. Yes, I would love to kill more people because it is something I like to do. Is murder people. Ooh, is there someone up there? I'm going inside. Be careful. Oh, up here. There's usually money in those. Oh, whoa. Someone's getting violent with me. Oh, there's
This is the end for you.
No, it's not.
Someone there?
Oh, that's stuck in the doorway.
Thought I heard something.
Yeah, you did. It was me. Wait. Oh, Jesus. Oh. You're lucky I got trapped over there from my laggy thing. Yield. God, I know there's another one. There you are. Hey, girl. Joe. Seriously, guys, where did... There you are. Hey, girl. You no match from a downbreaker. Ooh. Wait. Is that weird or is that weird? I can hear breathing. It's kind of creeping me out. I think it's upstairs. Damn it. That is actually really creepy. Oh man, that's gonna give me. Oh, damn it. I bet I have to go this way. Oh god, that scared me. Oh no, how did I get 50? Damn it. This is like the easiest one. Damn it. No! Oh, damn it. Jesus, this whole episode's gonna be about walk. There we go. I am terrified for what's in here. Seriously, I can't be the only one that hears that. Oh. Oh god. Oh god, it's a lever. Stop it. Oh god, I don't want to do this. Oh god. Oh god. Well, that scared me. Oh, that scared me. What's that? Thank you. Oh god. Seriously, that is creepy heavy breathing. I'm not going that way. And for all of our own safety, since it's dark, I'm gonna pause this episode. Oh shit, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna see what's out here. I just want to. Nope, don't fall. Don't you fall. Don't you fall. There it is again, there it is again. Oh god, oh god. You know what? No, fuck this. What? How'd you live?
Now you're mine.
How'd you live?
What was that?
Ooh, you're on her. Okay, well that was enough for this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't be